Pause and listen carefully. The lion does not turn around when a small dog barks, meaning strong people do not waste time on insults or distractions.
Rain does not fall on one roof alone. Problems and blessings come to everyone.
Until the lion learns to write, every story will glorify the hunter. Everyone deserves a chance to tell their own story. The axe forgets, but the tree remembers, meaning the person who causes pain may forget, but the victim never does. No matter how hot your anger is, it cannot cook yam, meaning anger never solves anything. No matter how long the river flows, it never forgets its source, meaning never forget where you came from. A roaring lion kills no game, meaning too much talking achieves nothing without action. When spider webs unite, they can tie up a lion, meaning unity and teamwork create great power. The child who says his mother will not sleep either, meaning troublemakers often suffer too. When the roots of a tree begin to decay, it spreads death to the branches, meaning a bad foundation destroys everything. A person who carries an elephant does not use one hand to cover its tail, meaning big problems cannot be hidden. The lizard that jumped from the high Iroko tree said it would praise itself if nobody else did.
The mouth that eats salt must drink water, meaning every action has consequences.
No matter how long the neck of a giraffe is, it still cannot see the future, meaning nobody truly knows tomorrow.
The goat that follows the corpse to the graveyard may not return, meaning following bad company leads to danger. A dog that will get lost will not hear the hunter's whistle, meaning people heading for trouble ignore advice.
If fire is on the mountain, run before the smoke reaches you. Avoid danger early before it becomes too late.
When hunger enters the house, respect jumps through the window, meaning poverty can change behavior.
The chicken that eats with a hawk will disappear one day, meaning bad friendship leads to destruction.
The lizard that jumped from the high Iroko tree said it would praise itself if nobody else did, meaning be proud of your hard work even if people ignore you.
If you enjoy these powerful African proverbs, type next part. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.